What if I told you that Google is giving away completely free one of the most powerful AI courses of 2026? Friend, there will be no paid subscription, no hidden fees, just 5 days and you walk away knowing how to build real AI agents. This course has reached 1.5 million learners the last time it ran, and now it is back, upgraded, and better than ever. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I am going to walk you through this entire page and tell you exactly what you will learn and show you how to register right now. And friend, before proceeding the further, I wanted to highlight you just one thing that is the about the AI agents. And friend, AI agents are no longer a future technology. They are happening right now. Companies are using AI agents to automate customer support, research, data analysis, and content creations. An entire workflow that used to need two teams of people. The professional who understand how to build and deploy these agents are going to be in extremely high demand, and this course completely free give you a direct pathway into that world. And friend, let's talk about this course. So this course is provided by in collaboration with the Google and the Kaggle, and here we are going to check about this course, that is a AI agent intensive vibe coding course. So first, what exactly is this course? This is a 5-day online bootcamp designed by Google's own machine learning researchers and engineers, and it teaches you how to build AI agent from scratch using a very exciting new approach called vibe coding. You can see here vibe coding. Now let me explain what vibe coding actually means, because this is the game changer. Normally, when you build a software, you have to write line after line of complex code, one wrong character and the whole things break and your efforts going to waste. But the vibe coding, you just describe what you want in plain English, the AI understand you and builds the codes for you, and you guide it through conversation, you tweak it through prompts, and boom, you have a working system. So below you can see this is the 5-day course. You can see here that each day what you will do, they have given here the day one, that it will be introduction to AI agents and vibe coding. So here you will start from very beginning. What is an AI agent? How it differs from a chatbot, and how do you use vibe coding to build one? By the end of day one, you will have to build your first simple autonomous agent. Talking about the day two, that is agent tools and interoperability 10x agents. This is where things get exciting. You will learn how to connect your agents to external API and tools, giving it a superpowers. You will also explore how multiple agents can talk to each other and work together. Google call this 10x agent, system that do 10 times of work with a fraction of manual effort. Talking about the day 3, that is a context engineering sessions, skills and memory and skill agents. So here is something most AI courses skip. You will teach your agent to remember the things, short term memory, long term memory, so your agent doesn't forget what it was doing in mid conversations. This is what make agent fully true powerful. And talking about the day 4, that is agent quality and security quality agents. So friend, building AI agent is a great. Building AI that's safe and reliable is a even better. On day 4, you will learn how to add guardrails, run evaluation and protect against the new type of threats that come with agenting AI system. Talking about the day 5, that is a prototype to production from vibe to live. So the final day is all about making your agent real world ready. Cloud deployment, debugging, observability, and then the big one, that is a capstone project. So friend, I will talk you about the capstone project. So you can see here the capstone project, they have given information regarding that. So friend, at the end of day 5, you will get a challenge like design, build and deploy your own AI agent system. You submit your project with a Kaggle write-up and a video explanation and your code. If you complete it, you will earn a official Kaggle certificate and a digital badge on your profile. something you can show to your employers. And friend, you can see this type of certificate. You can see, just I will show you the certificate which you will get here. So you can see this is the certificate, sample certificate which you will receive, and along with that you will also get the badge. So before going to check how you will do the registration, if you have not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, jobs and internship, and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. It will help us to create a more content for you. So okay, so how do you will actually join? It is a very simple. Just go to the link I have put in the description box and click register. And here what you will need. So friend, first you have to create your free Kaggle account. It will require hardly 2 minutes. You have to click on this register here, and you will do the registration in the Kaggle account. I will provide the link in the video description box. And in the number two, you have to go to the Google AI Studio, and it is also free. This is where you will access the Gemini API to power your agents. Here you will do the registration. So this two registration required here, and friend, also you will need some basic Python knowledge. You don't need to be an expert, but knowing the basics will make the hands-on labs much easier. And that's it. No payment, no subscription, nothing else. So this is the about the this Google and Kaggle intensive vibe coding course. And friend, if you have any query regarding this course, or if you have any other doubt, please comment on the video. We will definitely check and provide you the answers. And friend, please subscribe Info Roshan.